Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Finecare FIA AFP Rapid Quantitative Test. So as you can see, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the details. So this is the Finecare AFP Rapid Quantitative Test for Finecare FIA meter only use only. So as you can see now, this contains 25 individually sealed pouches of test cartridges and desiccating pouch. Then we have the ID chip. Then we have the leaflet with the instructions for use. We have 25 pipette tips of 100 microliters. Then we have 25 detection buffer tubes. So you can see the reference number here, the W208. We have the manufacturing and the expiry date. It has a standard expiry of 2 years. It has an operational and a storage temperature of 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, this is the top view. This is the 25 test pack. So let me show you the sides. As you can see, it has a storage temperature of 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's from Wondfo. And you can see the manufacturing address here. It's Wondfo, China. So let me open this box and show you. So as you can see, on the top we have the IFU brochure. You can see here the Finecare Alpha-Fetoprotein Rapid Quantitative Test, the IFU brochure. This is the back side of it. So first we have the IFU brochure for it. Okay, good. Then we have the ID chip. You can see this is the Finecare ID chip. You can see this is the ID chip for Alpha-Fetoprotein, which is encoded. So let me keep this here. And then we have the pipette tips. This is the 25 pack pipette tips. You can see these pipette tips. So let me keep this here. Then we have the detection buffer, I presume. This is the Finecare Alpha-Fetoprotein Rapid Quantitative Test Detection Buffer for the Finecare FIA meter use only. You can see the reference number here. This is a CC certified product. You can see it is manufactured in Wondfo, China. So 25 tubes are present. It has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can see all the other details, IVD product. So let me keep this here. Then we have the cartridges. Yes, as you can see, this is the Finecare AFP Alpha-Fetoprotein Rapid Quantitative Test. You can see the reference number here. It's a certified product. Each cartridge has one test, so around 25 cartridges are present. So 25 test pack. So you can see the manufacturing and the expiry date. Then at the back we have the manufacturing address. It's from Wondfo Biotech, China. You can see it has an operational and a storage temperature of 4 to 30 degrees Celsius. You can see it here. You can see the markings over here. It's Finecare AFP Alpha-Fetoprotein Rapid Quantitative Test. So it's a 25 test pack. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Alpha-Fetoprotein AFP Rapid Quantitative Test from Finecare. You can see this here. So to sum this up, there are 25 cartridges present. It has one AFP ID chip. Then we have the detection buffer. Then we have the pipette tips. Then we have the instructions for use for the Alpha-Fetoprotein Rapid Quantitative Test. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Finecare AFP, alpha feta protein rapid quantitative test. Thank you.